DITEC E1A Control Board, complete. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Today, we are going to explain the DITEC E1A Control Board in complete detail. This controller is widely used for sliding gates, swing gates, road barriers, rolling shutters, and sectional garage doors. Let's begin. Control Board Overview. The DITEC E1A is a single-motor control panel with an integrated radio receiver. Power supply terminals. Located at the bottom left of the control board. Terminal L and N. L is live 230 VAC. N is neutral 230 VAC. Connect the incoming mains power supply here. Always ensure proper earthing. Circuit breaker protection. Power is OFF during installation. Terminal N and C. Courtesy light terminals. The output is 230 volt and 60 watts. The working principal eye comes on for 180 seconds after receiving any opening total or partial or closing command. Flashing lamp connection. If you want that the warning lamp flashes whenever the gate is moving, then connection will little different. Connect terminal N and terminal W. The output here is 230 volt and 25 watts. Motor connection terminals. These terminals are used to connect the motor. Terminal U is open direction for motor phase wire. Terminal W is common terminal for motor common wire. Terminal V is close direction for motor phase wire. The condenser must be connected between the U and V phases. If the motor moves in the wrong direction, simply interchange terminals U and V. Limit switch connections. Terminal 12 and Terminal 11. These inputs are used for open and close limit switches. Terminal 11 is open limit. Terminal 12 is close limit. Terminal 0 is common for limit switch. When you change motor direction, also changes and check limit. Switch terminals 11 and 12. When the gate reaches its end position, the corresponding limit switch stops motor movement. Accessory power supply. Terminal 0 and 1 provides low voltage power for accessories. Terminal 1 is positive. Terminal 0 is negative. 24 volt DC power supply. Used for photocells, safety devices, external receivers and access control systems. Always verify voltage requirements before connection. Terminal 1 and 5. Terminal 5 is step-by-step command. Terminal 1 is common for step-by-step command. Used for push button, key switch, and external receiver. Operation sequence is open, stop, close, and stop. Connect a normally open contact between terminals 1 and 5. Terminal 9 stop input with common terminal 9. Normally closed contact. If this circuit opens, gate stops immediately. No further movement is possible. If no stop button is used, install a jumper between terminals 1 and 9. Terminal 6 safety edge input and terminal 41 is common here. Normally closed contact. Can be connected to safety edge, safety sensor, and additional photocells. When activated, gate movement is interrupted for safety. Terminal 8 safety photocell input and terminal 41 is common here. Normally closed contact. When the photocell detects an obstacle, gate stops and gate reverses direction, used to protect vehicles and pedestrians. ANT terminal connect N. External antenna to improve. Remote control range. Better signal reception. Increased operating distance. Reduced communication problems. Recommended for large properties and industrial sites.